Greetings, digital explorers. My name is Dennis, and I am the owner and creator of Senior Tech Simplified. I created this YouTube channel to help seniors navigate the sometimes complicated world of tech. Dive into the tech world without breaking a sweat. Welcome to Senior Tech Simplified, your go-to YouTube channel for all things tech. Whether you're a tech novice or just looking to brush up on your skills, we've got you covered. Our first video, Facebook 101 for Seniors, walks you through the essentials of staying safe and secure on Facebook. Learn how to manage your privacy settings, spot scams, and keep your account in tip-top shape. In Essential Tech Tools for Seniors, we highlight must-have gadgets like smart home devices and health trackers, all designed with you in mind. Discover how these tools can make life easier and more fun. And that's just the beginning, with 3 more videos packed with simple, easy-to-follow tutorials. You'll be a tech whiz in no time. So why wait? Join us on Senior Tech Simplified, and let's conquer technology together. Hit that subscribe button and never miss an update. Remember, with Senior Tech Simplified, tech is made easy. Stay safe online, stay connected, and let's make tech fun.